Jae Love, we're ready for story time.
We even cleaned up our toys.
Are you sure everything is done?
Well, maybe we kind of forgot the snack mess in the kitchen.
I didn't forget. I just didn't want to get sticky.
Sounds like someone's not telling the full truth. You know, that reminds me of a story.
Grace is giggling, running through the door. Giggles got jokes falling on the floor. Jae Love smiling, book in her hand. You know it's time, come take a stand. It's Grace and Giggles every day, learning to live the kindest way. With stories, songs, and hearts so true, we're growing strong, me and you. It's Grace and Giggles every day, learning to live the kindest way. With stories, songs, and hearts so true.
Welcome to Grace and Giggles with Jae Love. I'm so happy you're here with us today. This is the place where we learn how to grow big hearts, make kind choices, and always tell the truth, even when it's hard. We laugh, we learn, and yes, we even do our chores with joy. Every story we share is a little adventure filled with love, lessons, and lots of giggles. Because when we live with grace and goodness, we shine bright like the beautiful children God made us to be. And guess what? At the end of the video, I'll be asking you some fun questions to see what you learned from today's story. So be sure to watch all the way through because I'll need your help and I can't wait to hear your answers. So, grab your favorite snack, get cozy, and let's jump into Storyland together.
Hello, Jae Love. Is it story time? Hello.
Ready for today's story?
Yes!
Great. Let's dive in.
Meet Maya, a little girl who borrowed her best friend Layla's sparkly pink pencil without asking. When Layla notices it's gone, Maya lies and says,
I haven't seen it. Maybe someone else took it.
At first, Maya feels okay, but every time she sees Layla, the lie gets heavier. She tries to avoid Layla at lunch. She even tries pretending to be sick during group work. Maya feels like the pencil now glows in her backpack, haunting her. Maya saw Layla's tears, heartbroken. Maya feels terrible. She decides to tell Layla the truth and apologize.
Why didn't you just tell me?
I was scared you wouldn't be my friend anymore.
But being honest is what friends do.
Layla forgives her. The invisible weight of guilt and lies poof disappears.
That lie was following her everywhere.
Like a ghost pencil.
Exactly. A small lie can grow until it breaks the things we care about most.
Let's clean the kitchen and tell the truth right away next time.
Yeah. Even if it's sticky, we tell the truth.
Wasn't that a powerful story? Now it's your turn. And by the way, parents, after our little game, ask your child what they learned today. If they got it right or showed a great attitude, give them a fun reward, like a sticker, an extra story, or even a high five. Let's grow greatness together, one giggle at a time. Let's play. Truth or trick? I will put up a statement. You answer truth or trick, whichever you think is the right answer based on what you heard or saw in the story. Now parents, keep score of your little ones' answers so you can be sure to reward them in the end. Let's play the game. In the story, when Maya told Layla the truth, Layla got really mad. Truth or trick? In the story, the lie made Maya feel happy. Truth or trick? In the story, Maya lied to Layla about taking her favorite pencil. Truth or trick? From the story, telling the truth is always the best thing to do. Truth or trick? today's bonus question. What would you do if you were Maya? If you said tell the truth and say sorry, give yourself a big hug because you're growing in grace. Now, for today's closing message and verse. The Lord detests lying lips, but he delights in people who are trustworthy. Proverbs 12th chapter, 22nd verse. Remember, you're full of grace.
And never short on giggles.
Woke up today with the sun in my face. Every little moment feels like a sweet embrace. You're full of grace, like a shining star. I can't help but wonder how you are, who you are. You're full of grace. You're the light in the room, never short of giggles, spreading joy like perfume. Dancing through the day, you're a magical tune. You're full of grace, brighter than the moon. We chase the clouds and paint the sky so blue. Every little step feels like something brand new. With a smile so big, you make the world sway. You're the kind of magic that lights up my day.